guests for their unwavering guidance in making this event a grand success. Let's also thank our teachers, school, principal and secretary sir and all the management members for their unwavering guidance. To our teachers, who work tirelessly behind the scenes are deeply appreciated. A huge round of applause to our wonderful students who work tireless. Creativity, hard work and enthusiasm stole the show tonight. Let's also extend our thank you to our parents and the families of the performers who played an integral part in bringing out the best in our student. Let's also extend our gratitude to the event coordinators, sound and lighting team and all the volunteers who work behind the scenes and ensure that everything went smoothly. Your contribution has been invaluable. Finally, to all of you, thank you for being here. Your support and encouragement have been important to us.